The Chairman's Exemplary Faculty Prize was established in 2007 through the personal philanthropy of then Chair of the Board, Don Peterson, class of '71. Steve Rubin, most recent past chair, continued that practice, and current board chair Warner Fletcher is proud to continue that wonderful tradition established by Mr. Peterson. This prestigious prize, in the amount of $10,000, will be awarded today. WPI's existing trustee awards recognize excellence in particular areas of faculty performance: teaching, research and scholarship, community service, and advising. But the purpose of the Chairman's Prize is to recognize and reward a member of the faculty who exceeds in all relevant areas of faculty performance, the true exemplar of our Institute's highest aspirations and most important qualities. Would Provost Overstrom please present the recipient of this year's Chairman Prize?
I am pleased to present Professor Terry Comisano of the Department of Chemical Engineering, the winner of the 2014 Chairman's Prize. To perform their functions, whether starting infections or causing tooth decay, bacteria must stick to surfaces where they form colonies called biofilms. For more than a decade, Terry Comisano has been conducting pioneering research on the biochemical mechanisms that bacteria use to adhere to substrates and exploiting that knowledge to find ways to prevent biofilm formation. With awards from the National Science Foundation, the National Institutes of Health, and other organizations, she has developed novel techniques for studying her tiny subjects. For example, using the atomic force microscope to measure the forces that bond bacteria in place, she discovered that bacteria E. coli stick to cells in the urinary tract and how cranberry juice prevents adhesion and infections. She has studied natural antimicrobial peptides that could be used in coatings to prevent biofilm formation on all kinds of surfaces and explored methods for killing bacteria in the soil. Her research has resulted in more than 160 publications, presentations, and invitations to lecture in the United States, Australia, and Europe. Comisano brings her enthusiasm for discovery to her classroom and welcomes undergraduates into her lab. To enable chemical engineering majors to gain global research experience, she established a partnership with a technical university in France. She has also spearheaded several federally funded academic programs. They include the National Science Foundation Research Experience for Undergraduates program that gave students from across the country the chance to inspire future scientists and engineers by teaching a 2-week biodiversity camp for middle school girls. Another NSF-funded program helps middle school teachers design curricular units in bioengineering. Currently, Comisano is principal investigator of a $3 million award through the National Science Foundation's highly competitive Integrative Graduate Education and Research Traineeship Program. The first such award received by WPI, it is preparing our graduate students to conduct research in biofabrication and translate their discoveries into innovative solutions that can improve people's lives. When not engaged in research, teaching, and advising, imagine that, Comisano has been active in service to WPI and her profession, and she has explored her interests in academic administration by winning appointments as a HERS Fellow, faculty fellow at Wellesley College, Institute for Women in Higher Education Administration, and she was one of the first elite fellows at Drexel University. With that preparation, she was recently named WPI's first Assistant Dean of Engineering. For her groundbreaking research on bacterial adhesion, her innovative contributions to scientific and technological education, and to her service to WPI and her profession. WPI is proud to confer upon Terry A. Comisano the 2014 Chairman's Exemplary Faculty Prize.
Terry, again, congratulations, and thank you, Warner, for continuing this outstanding practice.